While looking through one of my older albums recently to find super simple pages, more on that in a future video, I came across this gem. What a fun page, and it's still pretty easy. Hi, Donna Guest here, Creative Memories Advisor and Lazy Scrapbooker. Needing a page for piano photos? I'll show you how to create this one. You'll need one piece each of white and black cardstock, your 12-inch trimmer, and adhesive, preferably the repositionable tape runner. First, you'll cut the length of the white keys. I made mine 4 1/8 inch. Next, you'll cut 13 keys, each with a width of 7/8 of an inch. You'll want to be consistent with your measurements so they all look the same. And this isn't sped up at all. I am really this fast. I'm kidding, it's sped up 4 times. Once you have your 13 keys cut, then grab your black cardstock and let's cut our black keys. I made the length of these 2 1/2 inches. You can certainly play around and adjust the measurements to make them to your liking. Next, cut the individual black keys at a width of 1/2 inch. I created my original page on a white scrapbook page with a black background for the keys. This time I'm going to improve upon it and place the keyboard directly on a piece of black shimmer cardstock. The black will make the white keys stand out, and I think the bottom portion being black is going to look even better. And shimmer, that's just because I love it. As you can see, I just applied repositionable tape runner to several of the white keys at once. This was a time saver, so I didn't have to keep putting down and picking up the tape runner. I'm spacing them out very carefully. This may take you a couple of tries to get them evenly spaced and all on the page. That's why I like the repositionable tape runner. And with editing, I spared you my first attempt. It's typically a great idea to put them down on the page to space them before adding the tape runner, but I was feeling ambitious. Perfect. Next, we'll do the same to add our black keys in the appropriate spaces. And if you make a mistake, just use your multi-tool to lift it up and carefully replace it. I wanted to continue the pattern of an actual piano, so I needed a third black key at the right. So that it will fit, I'll cut it in half long ways with my trimmer and attach it at the edge. And now we're done. I love the black shimmer cardstock as the background. It looks great. Be sure to click like or subscribe to see all my future videos. Thanks for watching.